Welcome to the Farmtruck and AZN YouTube channel,
where it is what it isn't.
That's you!
I don't know what it is.
Dude, it did pretty good.
Did it?
It did pretty good.
Yeah? Hey, you know, I have some complaints. You know, the track was dirty. You know, the right lane, they've been winning it all night. You know, we let it get cool. We're running after semifinals, you know. Hey, a little bit of tire shake. You know, I've been running on this combination for a while. She wore out. Okay, Mr. Spray all day. Look, you didn't give me a warning. Don't clap for him. Don't clap for him. No, stop.
A lot of adrenaline going right now. What happened?
Adrenaline?
Yeah, I let go of the button. I never saw him.
I think I won. I think I got the W.
Who do you think got the 60-foot?
I think I got the 60-foot.
Oh, is that what we were racing to?
No, we were racing full eighth.
Oh, full 8th mile. Okay.
Good job, Farmtruck.
Thank you very much. It was fun. You know, it's been months since I made a pass on this thing, and I was reaching up to grab my trans brake. I turned my windshield wipers on.
I saw.
You get the jitters after you haven't been in the truck for a while, and what's going on over there? More racing? I gotta go. Hey, Farmtruck and AZN here. Thank you for sticking around and watching our YouTube videos.
Since you're a viewer and hopefully a subscriber, drop by our website, okcfarmtruck.com, and use discount code FNAYouTube to get 10% off your next order.
It's our way of saying thank you.